Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup wire transfer confirmations with Western Union, beginner guide step by step clearly. To backup wire transfer confirmations with Western Union, begin by gathering all transfer confirmation details. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the official Western Union website address and press enter. Once on the home page, locate the login section. Enter your account credentials and click on the login button. After logging in, navigate to the Transfer History section of your account. Here, you will find a list of your recent transactions. Select the specific transfer you wish to backup. Once selected, look for the option to view or download the confirmation details. Click on that option to open the confirmation document. Review the document to ensure all information is accurate. Now, look for the download or print option on the page. If downloading, choose a safe location on your device to save the file. For printing, select your printer settings and click Print. Consider backing up the document in multiple formats, such as PDF and hard copy. If desired, upload the file to a secure cloud storage service for additional safety. Regularly review and organize your backup files to keep track of your transfers. This will ensure you have all confirmations readily available whenever needed. Following these steps will help you maintain a secure record of your wire transfers with Western Union. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.